Are you tired of watching others make money while you sit on the sidelines? Have you ever wondered how people turn their knowledge of the Forex market into real wealth? Imagine transforming your phone or laptop into a money-making machine, not just dreaming about it. This is your time, your year. Welcome to 2025, a new year, a fresh start, and the perfect opportunity to dominate the Forex market like never before. Stick with me, because in this video, we're breaking down exactly what you need to know to make real money as a Forex trader this year. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this. Let's dive in. Step 1. The mindset of a Forex trader. First things first, before we even talk about charts and strategies, you've got to get your mindset right. Making money in Forex isn't about luck, it's about discipline, consistency, and resilience. Remember this, successful Forex trading is 90% psychology and 10% strategy. You need to master your emotions, fear and greed have no place here. Stay focused, stay determined, and stay hungry for growth. Step 2. Master the basics. You can't conquer the Forex market if you don't know how it works. Know your pips, your lots, your leverage. Understand currency pairs inside out, which ones to trade, when, and why. And here's the good news, on this channel, we're breaking all of this down for you, step by step, lesson by lesson, and it's 100% free. Step 3. Learn to analyze, like a pro. Now, to make money, you need to predict where the market is headed, right? This means learning technical analysis, reading charts, using indicators, and spotting patterns that scream profit. It also means diving into fundamental analysis, understanding how news events, interest rates, and world politics move the market. It's all connected, and we're here to teach you every detail. Step 4. Develop your strategy and stick to it. Every great trader has a strategy, something that fits their personality and goals. Swing trading, scalping, trend following, you need to find what works for you. And once you find it, stay consistent. Forex rewards patience and discipline, not impulsive decisions. Step 5. Manage your risk to protect your capital. Here's the truth, even the best traders lose sometimes. The secret isn't avoiding losses, it's managing them. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Set stop losses, stick to your risk-reward ratio, and never over-leverage. Treat your capital like it's gold, because it is. Now, let me ask you again, are you ready to level up your life? Are you ready to stop watching and start doing? Here's the best part, you don't have to figure this out alone. On this channel, I'm giving you every lesson, every tutorial, and every strategy you need to succeed as a Forex trader. And it's all completely free. So here's what I need you to do right now. Hit that subscribe button, because this is your shortcut to Forex mastery. Like this video if you're committed to making 2025 your year in Forex. And finally, leave a comment below, let me know your biggest goal as a Forex trader. Let's turn that goal into reality together. Forex trading isn't just a skill, it's a way to take control of your future. It's about freedom, growth, and endless potential. 2025 is the year to start, to grow, and to succeed. You've got what it takes, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.